Right, quick one shot. Well, this is actually the second shot because the first time I just cut my finger just a little bit, but it kept it wouldn't sort of stop bleeding for a little bit, so I had to stop. So I wasted a huge potato I had, but never mind. So this is Catcheside Goito. It's one of my latest forged pieces. It's the same kind of geometries, but I've forged the geometries. So the aims are you get a nice thick, where this transition here is nice and thick, so you have no flex to the blade and a bit more weight. And to get the right geometry by using a lower bevel, a very convex lower bevel, you don't want it to be full thickness there. So it's hollow forged. It's about the same thickness there as it is there, and it's very softly hollow forged, so you have a break. This geometry, it just falls away, so it's that lower bevel convex that comes into play, and there's nothing to stick to the food above that. So this is a 240, well it's 250 actually, and it's Damascus, and we can work this whole lower bevel in it with a high natural stone, and it just brings out the convexity. And even if you don't know stones, at least it's already set up. The geometry's already set up there for you. The whole lower bevel's been stone finished, so you know it's flat and or rather blended, convex, but perfectly done. Right, I won't talk so much now. We'll just do some cutting. Thank you.